Benin people see say Ivie dey insult Ishan. They will feel say some Benin people go join and say yes, we'll go insult Ishan. Then the day when you go call the insult Benin, the Benin people come say I think say na for only Ishan o. No say the way when Ivie go take insult Ishan. Now so sit they beat your Benin people. That make cannot they pay me o. If they say Ivie they insult Ishan, I will say for me, she know they talk. There is nothing when she go talk, when you go move Ishan person. All you want now. She know they talk now. Why she know they? Why? Say, if you go their platform, you see this TikTok. Now, me not just want to go TikTok. I don't want to go and do that nonsense they are doing to TikTok. They don't have respect for themselves. If not, I will tell who get TikTok. If I can't see how they don't keep people finish for them. They burn houses, they do everything. The community. They carry this thing, the city. Now the city. Now the city, Benin city, now the city. Now most Benin people they claim say na their own. They come some come for Ugwa Yanwe, Ugwa Ijaji, Ugwi Eriya, many Igwe Ogyobu, Ugwe Atutubia, Yemi Rebe Fien, Ugwoka, Ugwi Yoko, Ugbe, this thing. All of them call their community. No motor, not the enter again. They will leave their community. They go, you know what? I don't know. These people, they leave their own community where they for combo that they say na the city, nice city, and now be their community. It just be like Lagos now. You see that Lagos now city of Yoruba, now city of Yoruba, which is Lagos. You see Now these people now their own village, it don't bush their own village, nothing they enter. Motor self not they enter. Now only like now they take they enter. You get where they go reach. You get one woman say you get one village, say you get where they go reach. Now like you take finish the journey. These people now that they social media, they know they cry, say make they even do their community, they know they cry. If they see where they do for Ishan land, they say, yeah, na Ishan, and that they say their own self even worse past Ishan. These people, they know they feel enter their own community again. These people know they say, yeah, no good though. For Yekorion road not there. For Igwe Gyobo road not there. For Igwe Keke road not there. For many of the village, all of them for come. Igwe, the Igwe don't turn to forest. The Igwe don't turn to forest. They see that they say, now we got Benin, Benin na Edo State, na Edo State. You see that city, the city na Edo State. None of us get a city. Nobody they get city. Also, so one city. Everybody went their city, ask them where they for come, even for abroad self. They go say na social city for here, na they for come. Na social village for here, na they for come. Na social village for here, na ask. This village, this place when I did now, this area when I did now, it dey under Utrecht. Many city dey under Utrecht. But if you read there, it go be Utrecht city. Instead of these people, no, they don't they shout, they're useless, especially the Ivie when they. Ivie, oh yeah, see we woman. See okay now. That they don't answer people, don't buy Benin guy. He don't take, not be today. I can't lose say whether these people, whether this live video presenter, when they say, oh yeah, see we woman. Now palace, now that they look. When una common eye for palace, una village, Udo. They say Udo self now, they know they even the fee enter Udo again. Udo when Ivie for come. Udo when Ivie for come now, they say na bush. All of una they come from different as we be Ishan, as they come from different place for Ishan land. Now so now when Una dey claim say now we get Benin, now we get Edo State, now we get Benin. Now so now still get una village. Una see they come for different village for inside that Edo State. For inside that Edo State, una see they come. Una villages aelao. Una village don't turn to Egbo. Una village don't turn to forest. Even the few people when they the village now, Fulani Esme, he don't drive all of the finish. See one when they show. When Fulani Esme cut his hand, yana fiaobo. When Hausa say, Hausa person no dey power. Now so Hausa people they always they do. If Hausa, the time of good Lord Jonathan, now so they key. Hausa people know what that they do. Hausa people know what that they do. Not be our president. Now Hausa people now they do one. They know what they are doing. The time when good Lord Jonathan said they now so they buy. They call they buy. That one can be Boko Haram. They call they buy. Now only this person, what that they call her? Obasanjo. Now Obasanjo, na infu, na that one self. Because Obasanjo na Yoruba. Good Lord Jonathan, na this is not Hausa. If the Hausa people, they power, they go calm the country. Yeah, they have to bring that to the table. May they bring that to the table. You see it, may they bring that to the table. It's not good. Hausa people know what that they do. Yes, Hausa people know what that they do. If they don't want, say, make the country good, make Hausa, may they cut their self, come on, may they do their own. Tell Hausa, say, okay, may una go na own. They don't want to go their own. But these people, they don't want to make peace. This matter when they happen so, when Fulani Esmen, they everywhere. If Hausa people now, all those Hausa Fulani, if they sit down, talking, you see this killing, you know go they gay, they know. All these things is politics. If they come to a finish, they're going to say, they're going to call state president. President Tinubu regime not good. Tinubu regime not good. Tinubu regime not good. Tinubu regime not good. Tinubu regime is good. Through Tinubu regime, we can see some states now. They don't develop some states. You can see some states now. They don't develop some states. During this Tinubu, just say if who you want make it win, no win. You see that pain go still there inside there. Tinubu is the best president so far when Nigeria gets. Tinubu na the best president so far when Nigeria gets. Because Obi no win. Because Obi no win. Now it make you see say that they say Tinubu regime no good. Tinubu no good. Now lie. See road. Go north side. Come see wetin state governor when they didn't know. See the way when they think they do road. No, they do road like abroad. See some state governor from Igbo side. See the way when they think they do their own city. See our state governor, Mondiokpebolo. See the way when he take put hand for everywhere. See the way when he take they put hand for everywhere. See the way when he take they repair road when they know they even they use bicycle, they enter again. Mondiokpebolo don't do or finish. They don't do or finish. Now make me they talk say make our state governor make it put hand for everywhere. Make you know they do put hand for that city for Benin. City for Benin, no need say every year. They go they pump money put for there. Now it make the rest community, the rest place no grow for Edo State. Nowhere as big as Edo State day, nowhere develop for Edo State. Nowhere develop. Nowhere. The villages where they Udo, many of them, those their villages, don't turn to bush. You don't turn to bush. Erosion don't even drive the command. They say if you reach Udona na forest. They say this is it remains small. When all those Esioha, when Esioha Rikuya will why Esioha for Udo when he vient for con. Udo when he vient for con. Or Masim Udo or Yasim ye palace. Or Yasim ye one. Go see Udo. Yasim Udo. All those having what all those this place when that river day and where this person for come a Ranomigo where Ranomigo for come where them Dimorphic come where them Frank Victor for come me I just mention the whole live video all of them all the whole village when all of them for come for Bini you know they don't the feel enter again away around the good there and then you want me to kinoriana ye we high where around the good there baby una villages don't turn to bush finish. If you see if that they repair Ishan, if they see say that they repair Ishan, they say, now so it shall be, now so it shall be, now so it shall be. The place where houses there for Ishan land, they know they show one. Houses. You see, as you go reach one place, you go see five houses. It's there for inside Ishan. It's there for inside Ishan, inside place, you know. There is this place when una they see, look na cause Ishan, look na that place, now it be the ancient place. Places there, if you read their houses, all these new houses, austere. That one talk when they say austere. When he concern, he say austere, no day Ishan land. He say austere, no day. Austere full everywhere. They not they show that place because that place, the place when it don't already develop, you not go there. That place not already good. New place. Now this old place now, if they just show, they say, see, where can you rotate? Where can re palace for? You see inside palace, so where can they? Back of palace, where can they? Ring road, though, new be new, where can they all? Una not go fit fight for una if any agaru one. Why think Soladian? Why think Soladian? Awo yaya si we wo. Me why ni ayo ya si we. If there are all people come to state governor. He $80 doji. Edo state from where Edo state for start to the end. He when we rock back. They show one place for inside city. If they don't show ring road, now let ring road, now that they show. If they don't show ring road, they go show New Benin Market. Now ring road with New Benin Market. Now let that place. They know they shout again. Edo is not shiny. Edo is not shiny. Where don't they go now? They know they shout. These are the people that they know they continue their shout. Only I can go showcase. Edo is not shiny. Edo is not shiny. Edo is not. Una don't enter house. Where our ex-state governor no fit do for good 8 years. Oyaba is now doing tourists everywhere. Obaseki is now everywhere. Obaseki know now. Now make me dey tell our state governor Monday Okpewulu. May he no mind una. May he go dey repair all the old villages, road, farmers dey. So farmers, they know they fit farm again because why? Road no good. That make me dey always dey talk say make our state governor may put hand for everywhere. These some useless Benin people, no mind them. Put hand for everywhere. They don't even want the betterment of Edo State. They don't want the betterment of the Edo State because in Amado to Edo, Ama weyan bowa. My sister, we would they say me Edo State good though. Repair. We get property. If yenya, moto, why you want to cry? May Edo State good. Igbina. Oh, was so, yeah, see, yeah, mama. Yeah, see, yeah, mama. You know. Emi ni evieyi olurai nevinata. Now why am your mom or evie no ya now if they get that broken heart and pain. But if you come on social media, people will feel say evie they fight for them. People don't know say now your children when they collect for your hands. Oh janorio oh janorio ni oni oh janolole oh money government in your oh yeah, see me, mama. You know, yeah, see me. What is that? It's a you woman. Oh, it's a no be Austria. If they bring the children for you, I beg. No show them, bro. I say, yeah. SB City Nostra, il vient violement. SMB City Nostra. Il y a violement. Il y a warenya, il compte use en train de fight. Et sans in Edo State. That SMB in Nostra, that was the issue in the days when they carry, when people go there, they can put SMB. SMB, ni aya vi, iviomon, ivie mai, o mai gegbe na ori, esan o, SMB, oyaya siri ewoman, SMB, oyaya siri ewoman, oyaya siri iwiwe, put away, uwa mu yo se, SB, oh yeah, see me, SB, oh yeah, see me, no ya see me, who are seeing you, who might see me well, no ye hege, you wet it, the be like foul. If you put on for load, you know they heavy. If you come out on for load, though, you know they heavy. Yeah? You know they say, Nana, see now. Hausa people now. We waiting they call this place. Awegenya, agbebi ni bwewa. Awagbebi ni bwewa. Hausa, abi Fulani eswo pe yan yahi. Iya wa de bwe ni yan wa gbewa. Iya gbewa, this thing when this Fulani esme they do, Hausa, they have to sit down, let their leader sit down and put stop to it. Anytime when they see say person when it no be Hausa, when no be Hausa, they sit for Nigeria. Now so that they do. During the time of good Lord Jonathan, now so they do. They key. When Buhari come enter, they can't stop killing. They know what they are doing for that. But now they call Donald Trump again. Donald Trump one they call. For America, they shoot him. Donald Trump when people they beat up and down. Now you want to help Nigeria. Now Donald Trump when people they beat up and down. Now you want to help Nigeria. As Unate the saga, Bola Ahmed Tinubu for seats, presidential seat when they. Now so they say the saga Trump. Why not they call Trump? Trump no go fit help anybody. You see the seat when Trump dey. It dey hot, even hot past Tinubu. He hot past Tinubu. Now Donald Trump na your worst pass. Now your worst pass. I don't know why Nigeria go sit down now. They call Donald Trump. Una even get sense. The other day they say Donald Trump say make they leave Unadi. Do you think if na America now what Unadi do they do so? Say if na America now Unadi do that thing, they go give am life imprisonment. No, they no go see face again. Life imprisonment. They fit fire. When Nigeria people come and say make Tinubu may release Unadi, make Tinubu release Unadi. Now Tinubu na arrest Unadi. Unadi is a terrorist. Terrorists need to give life imprisonment. That is the law. And that one now, they say that one don't drive for a lawyer. Now they read law for lawyer. Now you guilty. Now you they tell lawyer say, see the way when you want to fight case. If a lawyer they follow the right way, Unadi go they push the command. See the other day now, the lawyer with Oshowere, they go they do protest. I can lawyer who go stand they do protest. You know, she say all of them they decrease. There are mad people everywhere. Oh yeah, Syria war everywhere. Later night, but people go they shout. Oh yeah, Syria war. They don't believe Unandi. Oh yeah, Syria war. They don't believe Unandi. Very soon night, but people go take her as a music. Hey, yes, oh yeah. The last thing when una for do, una for no follow Ishan for do fight at all. I see so say if they tell say yes I go feel saga them like this, they for not believe because say una the fool na self. Nobody want make it the fool itself. Now be say if everybody will say no, they respect ourselves. No, they respect ourselves. Una come say una only una get mouth. Now only una get cause for man. Now only una get now only una no dey respect people. Now only una dey disrespect. Not be waiting una be think be that. You get one video when somebody caught. You get one girl. Oh where I don't even know where I hear that voice. He say some people na come we come saga Ishan. Ishan people don't know how to do saga. No na come, make they come saga Ishan. Ishan people don't know how to do saga. For your own mind. Only one woman for Ishan, only one girl for Ishan. You go fit follow all the old people when they do this saga. From Benin, when they do saga. Only one person for Ishan. You go fit handle una. We go fit handle una. The rest Ishan people, they go there by their side. They will there by that person's side. Only one person go there. The rest Ishan, they go there back support her. Now so now do. If they throw away if your children, if you carry and the pay and all, you put them for table. He come back some Bini people ni amwere re doto we ni ya amwere re doto with that Boko Haram Milaki. Now they back them together because they're frustrated. Now they pack some Bini, they come gather, they come to saga. Yes, why yes so we do what? See now okay for Bini. Ayo nya bona wo jenya Ara wonu kupe wo rege for Edo State. O a kingdom called Orege in Edo State. Because every of village is a kingdom. A kingdom in Edo State called Orege. Ayo bona wo tanya Ara onu kupe beni. Ara wo de see una life. Una not ask for justice. Who want to ask for the justice now? Justice for the Orege boy when they key. Or justice for the Fulani S-men when Orege key. Which one now? Justice, justice hypocrite human being. Some people answer they come for now. Some people answer they come. What I talk? I say now answer go come for. Not be what I talk be that. All of them call this useless on this useless Bini. During that time when that something happened for Ishan land, for Uromi, all of them call John Hausa, now go call Semeda, you know that happened with Bini, now go worse pass. Now go worse pass. I say now Bini, now there, now there. Now there they go. Now there they go. Hausa. Who beat Hausa? Hausa they wrong. Who beat Hausa? If you carry knife, come out. Hausa, no go near you again, una go be friend. Yes, sir. Una that's here. If una want fight, make una come fight again one useless Ishan girl like that. If una want fight, answer people. If you want to fight, una not come be near. Una they fight for Ishan. Now Ishan people do one. Now I say yes. Now we they run now. Nobody they run now. My came when we here. We know the quick carry something scatter. If you carry something scatter, everybody go scatter Jonah. If Bini people that barry, una as fight come now, una the shot for now. Nobody, ogbunu belanwa. Bagaye Sonya, una one shamona shot go meet Igbo people. Igbo people will say, "Ta, I will beribi, I will mount people. Why not they call us? We gonna go fight Hausa." They will talk say Ishan people. The time when you happen for Ishan land, not be na the audio Bini. Now only one boy, one Bini guy now see video. The Bini guy say if they like, make they talk oh yeah. Waiting happen for Ishan. He like him. Now one Bini guy now talk and say he like him because too much of everything is bad. All these Bini people, hypocrisy. You know my Esan. See what you na cause. Esan. See what you na cause. Esan. See what you na cause. Now that Bini guy come to say, it go still happen for Bini. Since these people say they don't go let peace reign, waiting happen for Ishan land, it go happen for Bini. And me myself come still talk and say, it more na common eye for Ishan land. They know they come Ishan, now Bini they go come. And that door never he will talk about again. The answer no fit try for Ishan land. They go talk say they want call they drag one particular for Ishan land. No. See her now. Oh yeah, see your woman. Oh yeah, see your woman. My darling, you there? Yeah, you know do Christmas for me. For where me I know they go church. I know. I be oh they go church. You know say I be oh not they go there. Why you not go? Maybe Jack, you not go. I be oh not they go church. I will say Nigeria dead now. By this time I was suffering day inside bush. Suffering go breed leaf come when I want to cook soup take chop at the jam. Now so it they be. Oh yeah, see you one people. See her now. Oh reggae now. They say oh reggae now they hot. They hot big. No. I know where they say some people to do us. Some people to do us. Yes, sir. Why go be? How won't yes, sir. Some people to do us. This is what they happen for. Oh, so the time when happen for Ishan, what did they talk? Answer people if not they call, no, not company. And Ishan people, something for Apple. Ishan Benin not be the same. When Ishan come say will not be the same. Benin people they come they do saga. When Ishan daughter say my okpa, we come they do saga. You never see Benin people. Now few out of if 100 Benin persons stand, if something happen. Now only 2 or 3. Now they go follow you stand say yeah. You see the remaining 97, They will go wrong, go meet those people when you see as Orege dey so. You see as Orege dey so. Me I use Orege now to do competition, whether na competition be this thing. As Orege dey so, as the matter dey so, no you to say 100%. The character where these people get to 100%. Now be the people when they there now. If matter come up, they'll say, if that matter don't come, 97% or 95%, they go withdraw. They go change. No, change. They go just change. Now only 5 out of 90, out of 100, Now only five people go stand say, where this thing they go, we must go. Where this thing must go, how you go take end, you must end. Now if if they follow those people do something, especially Benin. If you they follow Benin person, they do something. If you not be careful, they will run leave you for there. You don't take this whole reggae. You don't take. As I buy this boy, and another way how manage they take by this boy. Whether they feel say that they say the boy now help the boy be there. You see, many people will still come out now say why this boy go help. They go still judge this dead boy. Now they'll still judge and wrong. Like me, as they buy that boy. And people when they buy that boy, they must collect. They must collect. Area Yahweh. They must collect. Bontrowe now, you know, come chateau, Bontrowe, go reggae. Go reggae. That time when they say, Hausa people, if una dey come, na you chant something for Apple, na you chant something for Apple, na you chant something for Apple, more na not company, more na not company. Nah, I thought say, they not they company, they not they come Ishan. Every sunu fo, ever do otwesan. If they want come, now Benin night they go come. Now Benin night they go come. Nah, I think I say Benin people, more na not join Ishan. Benin people, more na not join Ishan. More na not just join Ishan at all. Benin people, more na not just join Ishan at all. Now, it don't happen now for Benin. I don't fit tell Ishan say, make they not join Benin. I don't fit. Because, see we are one. I don't fit tell Ishan people, why they ask the Benin person. More na not just go there. No! I will say it. I know you're talking. Man, my did on yeah. As that's what you just did there now. Maybe Ishan people did there now. As that fight did there now. If Ishan people did that community, all of them go still come out. We don't get character when Benin gets. Some Benin, we don't get that character. Some Benin people, when they do that character, if you look them where, they not be full Benin. You know, say in the days, when I don't be history, no get those states. You see them in vient en or. Il y a un bien, et c'est complete au bien c'est. Au bien c'est, they know they discriminate. If you see and read Benin, I get Benin friend. They know they discriminate. Avi Vienna, Avi Monaco, Mure, you know, all those bastards. The bastards, Ave Ria, na Bieleni, Ave Ria, ni ato Bieli Vie, where, all those people when they come, they walk that time. Like all those people where arrivier, obo, obo. Il vient na obo. Why you bow rivier, wo bien doa. Don't say this is Benin. No, when this say face, when you say face. If you obo, did you only a face. If you obo, ni ado beg a job. Again, you know, say so if you obo that they come to farm for. Iye do. Avec ni udo. You know, udo citizen will be, real udo citizen from Edo State. The character ni avi vievon, avi milakin. They don't have it. Oh, yeah, when I again, Benin, you go to New Benin market. Do you know that in Egemaya Road, if it's something happen for New Benin, Benin, Ishan, now that they won't grant for there. Yes, I know what say because it happened to Benin, you no go join Benin. Benin know what say because it happened to Ishan, you no go join Ishan. If you reach, inside Benin market for there. All those upper Lawandi, you know, all those places, you know, say Naishan with Benin, are there food there, and then Natana. All these people, work with Ghana, have work with village. People will be say they grow for inside Benin. People that grow for inside New Benin, all horror, all this medical, all this, you see all these people, you see all these people. If fight come, now then they fight out together. If you reach New Benin now, you go see where Benin man forget house for inside New Benin there. Each man get house for inside New Benin there. Old house or wake they get them because now it don't take when each with Benin re SSS awe vient non vient na avi vient if vient is not re Benin avi vient hin o so enya iya so na when you see Benin girl go come out, he go say, I only say, Okon Wahona between Isha and Benin. It don't reach. No, say that girl, Ovie do say no. Uwa Ovie do say, Ovio ba say wano, Owa kotedo, na Benin. If you see an Benin man go say, I bet this nonsense one they do, no kuna stop her. You go no say that person na, Ovie say no. Where immune no itie oyaya si ye wowan oyaya si ye wowan u egenya igbina areni amure doya ahonku ana we muya doya ahonku. Do you know that there is some people that are retia the whole rank them vie for father aya retia with their own place when they for come they don't come for Benin. Aya renti adoya hoku bedo. Ari ni hoku fone ana fioto ni ana bowa. Always every minute ahun oyaya si ye woman. Oyaya si ye woman. Go and ask the history. Go and ask the history of what happened for Edo State. Awamie wo na ya borrow na ya hun. Amie go and ask. Say if get one woman when say amiebo na ya yoko egeni agwa boreya we akan ya yoko uwe ya kokwo nire afiotonia oi eri vie ahi the forefather forefather nine ivie forefather b o so enya owie mi keri asunu agwa lohun owie mi keri asunu they go dey fight. Any small thing, they go they fight. They know they bring peace. Avi the old days, the great grandfather of it, Avi vie, Arigian Honfone, Anna Fiotonia, they can cut land for this thing. They cannot carry Udo. Where Ivie et Dede, the great-great-grandmother of Ivie Dede is from Ubanke. Now, if you say Ivie Dede con de jello, now Ubanke people de jello like that. You see, he a obvious say. He a just it here. Ovia ba Marie, obvious say Marie, Ovia ba Marie, Ovia ba. Oh, quoi ye a hovedo? We know the story. He a just it to magma. Oh, quoi ye a hon? Awa yarentia webuya. Ayarentia webuya. Awo iya oyaya si ye woman. Iya me a language ni azegeni. Iya na aji their own language ya say oyaya si ye woman. Then Benin people now ask them say what is oyaya si ye woman? And what for the language, for their own language, they can't translate them to Benin people. Now, maybe Benin people come to any small thing, they'll say, oh, Yaya Syria woman. Oh, Yaya Syria woman was somebody's language. Ekeni forefather, no riviena, ekeni na ya muya again ni adwa ho. Am ye wona rent again. Iya honfo, you go negotiate today. You say, if they go to work home, you go give them land. Or the forefather of Ivie, or Yaya Udo. Now that they Udo. You see, Now that they Udo. Now that you not say Udo de Ishan land. Now that kind of thing, they want carry come don't wait they inshallah. Now don't wait they inshallah say no, they don't need them. They are going there. You see, Then if you reach Udo, many tribe. No say as they come they bond. All of us come there together. All of us come there together. Now they come, they look, they say they be Bini. If you check if ye DNA test, DNA not be full Bini DNA. Yeah, not be full Bini. You can do a Bini person now. Do the DNA of a Bini person. You go see say that DNA it go be full Bini DNA. If you do Ivie DNA now, not be full Bini DNA. Yeah, not be full Bini DNA. You know, say that they see full village. You just come for this village. Our DNA. You go just be the full. There is some DNA where you go do. They'll say now partly. It's just like the parents of a child. If you do the child DNA, you will see Papa O for inside. You will see Mama O for inside. Then if you do DNA of the place where you for come for those states or logo, not be you can never see full DNA. Any era, you see era, a better we can that DNA or a full Bini DNA. Because here I now they'll go borrow them. Ask anybody. They go rate them. They go rate them. We are rating and who feel Tonya. Now baggage for something. Here you can successfully a man who I fear me near. They will come cut land for them. Now the Oyaya see a woman. Now there now so if for generate come this life. Now be say she know the reason the way when Bini people take the reason why they. You know they see Bini people inya onise. When the working time say onise o agela o we do. Now we say I will onise o hia ho. When you say if you tell a Bini person say onise or where you home or say you go all you say don't stop with that. Yeah, see the woman. Now yeah, see the woman. Now translate the translator to Benin language. Now translate the translator to Benin language. Now they say Ukporege village now. No say Orege now that fruit when they chop. Ukporege village now. They say they are fighting there in Ukporege village. Aboki the because it's too much. You see that old reggae village. You don't tell whether they see the shatter. You see the waiting happen for Isha that day. Now so everybody take the shadow for Isha land. Hey, what are you go? Now they let us go farm again. That they kill us. That they eat, that they use the cow. They eat our farm. Everybody was shouting. Nobody answer. Oti waiting happen for Esa. It can't happen. When it happen, Benin people say, hey, Hausa go finish your people. Hausa go finish your people. Hausa go finish your people. I wait till you don't know. Hausa with Isha. Now that they soldier together, army together. Go to soldier now, you go see Isha people there. It's just like as Isha people take the police. Now so, Hausa take the police. This Fulani esme one of the see so Fulani esme the day soldier the day police. The day soldier the day police. They got the shout, they go scatter Isha land. They could have all perish the land. If you not read there, no anybody not remain for the land again. Why? Hatred. And the hatred, it can never come up for your house. Now your house, now you go stay. If you will not they shout, oh yeah, see your woman people. Where Osulaki? Osulaki de done. Done where my so lagwa. De not go one my old cargo. Where pitch yourself. I'll go cut a picture now. E de dan. Oni se we o vie do we amion e de ni amwe picture no la dian. Orion mai, orion mai, we amion. Be like, oh, chimpanzee, wait, they inside forest. I say, see this woman picture don't come out, oh, it inside darkness. They say, that lovely, he just white for nothing. Oh, wafwa. Ebo say, oh, wafwa. Ebo say, me, I don't know, say, they jealous my beauty and my ufafwa. Me say, me, I don't fafwa. I don't fafwa. When they carry me, when Omila Akin, when Omila Akin picture come, Omila Akin, I supposed to be picking. Oh, I hope you how. I supposed to be picking. I be say, I will say Omila Akin, not be useless woman. I will be Omila Akin, first child. Omila Akin is a 70-something years old woman. Momo. No wagwi bie kana jiloboya ewi ala loy. Milaki no filoboye gbewe. Ona he gather small rat children. Ni agog we ni the way we ni vie ya agog. Ya maso oh ya si vie wo wo. Oh ya si vie wo wo. Upitarita. Uda, I feel like more. They wait. The guy say, not be every. Oh, well, mama, you wait. I will bring a call. Oh, where am you with you? Oh, where am you? Oh, if they go, labu, as I can't mutia. You go back out, you go, as I can't mutia. Oh. You get what this guy, when you say what do I fall battery no day. Or where we are me, more, or where we are me more. Yeah, oh yeah, see ya, mama. Oh yeah, see you, yawa. Almighty you, see you, yeah. Jamani, now the place for it is same day. Now there, now the city, now in children day. Now people come they cry. Esebe. Now the city for Austria. The name of the city in Austria is Esembe. Esem. You get the way when they tell right now. Esembe. But many people don't know say. Now the city name with each name not the same. Esembe. Now we collect the children, give them to government. Orupere o Ogiche de ka orupere o titi anya de na witch bri where no fi no mo kwa titi anya everything so fine ka yoria very yeye woman. Oh, well, Titia, yeah, Titia, we can equate. Oh my God. I'm so happy this morning. No. Oh, well, Titia, yeah. The day, we are celebrating some back out of na that character you want carry come where they like polo the character say ai was where joy ni area na otiti anya bri otiti anya owe otiti anya ukho na ehue otiti awuko otiti anya Bri. They don't give Anita passport. Oh my, rupeta mugwe. Mui passport na rupe mui passport na last year na mu eda rupe mui passport na Me we Anita no dota mugwe genya mui passport nuwe. Anita where ya ejo yetamu where genya amena where mete men where you well pakahi or well paka in you obeda you were no mama no we no again ni away ye away mama no so bri rukbe mu passport ni omi we no where it don't disown you mu passport nine omi we na if Anita here na this has a big problem between with Anita. Anita ke mama we mu mo ku wo na la mo ku wo o le na ya ti eji me o ya bri erukbe I Solomon how na day na say my this thing I dey play sometimes I don't know I too dey play I don't understand I too dey play if I can play na so I be when people say if you dey talk later you go jump go another place na so I tell dey play me I no dey use something dey serious Okiche go did yo owegenya we sisiere gbe owu dokyun ma God wey dey take care of her late friend children he say we sisiere gbe ukyun we no go ukyun ma sisiere gbe okay she get belle no, she don't get belle. Now so that belle can't take the big. If you born that pikin, Austria government go collect her now. If they not fit take care of pikin for Austria again, it's banned. If they not fit take care of pikin, if they collect pikin for your hand, anyone when you born, they collect and journal. If you not fit take care of pikin, now so that belle can't the big now. You know see, now so that belle can't the big. If you Oyaya Syria woman, Oyaya Syria woman, Oyaya Syria woman, imo wefilokwa, imo wesopon we ya so. Palace, gwa wade yes gwa what you consider you consider gwa get their own palace soldier. You know say gwa get palace soldier. I come with so. Oh yeah, Syria woman. Oh yeah, no. Oh yeah, Syria woman. You say get belle. You know if you born a government, Australian government go collect the children. With the oh yeah, Syria woman initial. Do you know that there is a state in Austria? The name is Esembe. That be the name. Now they for collect the children. And if you get belle now, they go see collect this one. The Esembe go see collect this one. Esembe is collecting the children every day by day. Esembe. Is big. That is pregnancy. Okay, yeah. What of how you got off for British my cow? If you said that one is pregnancy, wait till you walk out of British Okpaka. Oh, where they call her mama that time? Bri. The person tell me yesterday, say, he with the Lolo, they don't they fight again. Oh, no, say, okay, Tilano, Efo. If you say, remember when you say one bone, what of it? He make boo bede. I don't know that, but I know they look British Okpaka. I know they watch her. I don't know why British Okpaka belle big rich like that because British Okpaka she know they eat like that. She know they eat. She know they eat. She know they drink all those. Should they okay? Should they drink? You know, say drink contain sugar. You know, not be only diabetes, not be sugar. they give person. Sugar, they make person they fat. You know, say 130 time. I can't talk say my belly. If you see my belly now, my belly don't small. If you see my belly, my sister, my belly come big, big. If you see now, my belly don't get 6 pack. You know waiting? Because they make my belly big. You know, say me, I don't get big tummy. But I see that juice when I dey drink. The juice now bitter lemon. You see, if you dey drink bitter lemon, not drink and say it go cut your fat. Bitter lemon not dey cut fat. That drink, that bitter lemon juice, it gets, you know how many calories there inside? As I can't just drink. I can't just say make I stop Coca-Cola. Make I drink that one. I see say that thing they bite for mouth. I can't feel say as it they bite. You don't say lime now, they cut fat. I see say that thing they bite for mouth. Then a lemon taste. Now you get now. I can't say I will use and take anytime when I eat. I use and take they digest my food. My personal person. I don't say now sugar. I could they put on weight. They put on. I say why they put on weight? You know. Saute. I can't say, this is not too much. Now I want to be with my daughter. I will come sit down for sitting room. We can't eat. I think now last week Sunday. Last week Sunday we can't eat rice. Yeah, last week Sunday we can't eat rice. Then I can't tell her say bring the DC for me. I call the drink. And I can't tell my daughter say since when I dey drink this thing, it can't be like say my belly can't be big. Now my daughter can say make it check her. My daughter, he can't check her. Sugar where did that thing? He plenty pass Coca-Cola sugar. Coca-Cola don't get sugar for where that juice when I dey drink. Coca-Cola sugar no high reach like that. Now go tell my daughter say I say hey, anytime when I take it finish. Can't drink that something put, I go come relax, I come make turbo. You know, if I don't relax like this, sleep will just take me, I'll just do okay, I don't make turbo. I can't they put on weight, they put on weight. You don't see my hand also take time. My hand can't be like all those in mama hand. Now my daughter can say, Mommy, you have to stop it though. If you want to be taking it, take it once in a while. Don't continuously with it because it's not going to make you to cut your fat. It adds to your fat. My people now stop her. Did you see where my daughter prescribed for me years ago when I put on weight? That I don't born my last born finish. When I can't put on weight, can't tell me say see which I would they use. Now that one now they use now. I started last month on the level. This month on the level now it go make her be 1 month. You see, I could say after 1 month I go stop her. Because if you reach on the level now, I go stop her. I don't call they take her every day again. And they take her once in a while. Because the one when I fed all my fat when it don't fed the bone now, if I they add on, later I'll come lean. Because they continuously they see they work. Even if say you stop, that fat still they work, say it don't they come up for your body. Now say I take discover that so Tuesday when you go they drink, he carry sugar. That he carry sugar. I'll go there ask why I say if I eat finish, drink that is finished. I'll go relax. You don't say sugar, they make person relax way. I'll go relax. I go say, why if I eat finish, drink this finish, I'll go make him. I'll go relax. Now that they check and say, this thing not supposed because this one when they drink now, if you drink if you drink and you not quit eat, you will be like say they make you the day stagger. Will make you the day stagger. If you eat and if you drink and you not quit eat. But that one, if I drink and you know they stagger me, you know they make me the day stagger. Now there I come to say, this thing, you know they cut fat. Like this one now when I they drink now, if I press on with lime, that big grape, orange grape, I will cut. I they use half a day, half of that one, and lime, half of lime. Now they use a day. You know, I will drink in the morning, Then in the evening, if I eat finish, later, if I want like that, I will go drink. And it will come be that half now, I'll come still cut her into half again. If you cut her now, it will come be 4 pieces. You are they take those pieces, and they take 2 a day. The second one, I will leave them for tomorrow now, so I take the drinker. If you drink that tea, you come out for house. You they hungry, go they make you the stagger. Your belly go they pay you. Your belly go they pay you well. Now that thing now can't use now control away that one. Why they thought this one now? Now something that make me they talk this one. If you not go feel born, they get for extra. If you born, they go seize the pikin. I will say if you go feel born Solomon, if you the control way for don't born. If you born now, government go seize am. If government don't want seize your children, government don't seize your children. If you born again, forget, government will seize am. It will seize am. Yeah. Even he say, if you go IT now, go born. Go IT, go born. If they see am, Austria see am say, if you they carry pikin for IT, they go call IT, say, that person where he just put to bed, where he get pikin for our country, say, they don't first seize pikin for his hand. Say, he don't know how to take care of pikin. Because he don't dey bad record of to take care of pikin. You know, if not let Nigeria, he go now. If you still reach Nigeria, if you born for Nigeria, if you born wants to call Nigeria, say make Nigeria government seize that pikin, Nigeria government go seize that pikin, or you go come collect and bring and come. Because why? If you dey the last list, anything about children, they go they collect them for your hand. Anything about children. My dear, as you see, say get belle, na food and too much spam. You know, so this spam when they purple for body, now all of them come they work. You know, say spam na fertilizer. You don't know. You know, they see small children that time when they grow, they come. If you they do, women when they are gonna know say you they do. If you know they do, they will know say you know they do. Yes, they will know say you know they do. That time when they area, if you get boyfriend, you don't they do. Kele wawa. If they both man, if they both woman. If man now thought they meet woman, they will say this man, this boy don't already they sleep with woman, he don't already they meet woman, he don't already they release. Then if woman they do, she they receive spam, women when they area will say, see as the body can just ripe. They say, don't they do, you know, na spam, don't they booster. You see all this spam when the pack put for your body, now it boost your. Now those spam, now it boost your. Now spam. Okay, all this spam, where you say that they release my put? You don't think, where is it that? Una will not say, okay, I will say the camera did there, and you can show your ibeki. Okay. I was the meat pie yesterday. I'm not saying anything because I just enter my room. Bah. What are you the camera did there? I know you not do because you know that. Okay, what are you by mistake or yeah? I'm not going there. Okay. Yeah, you know I don't like inside. I don't know why. I know you remove inside and eat the this thing alone, the pan. But it's like a talk. 3. Well, for me, I ate 2 yesterday. But that's what I'm telling you. I like it when you're fresh up and the yeah, but you're not home. Then you came yesterday. Well, yeah. I did it late yesterday. I said, if you come back, the something will still be warm. You know, the one I did before, the one I did last. Yeah, I did it in the morning, almost in the morning. And I don't like the morning. That's for you. Mommy, I found that paper. I keep. Okay, you download the app. Back of the fridge. That's it. I saw you.
Your perfume is coming tomorrow.
That perfume really take time.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that one.
Okay, that one you not come. Did not
I
come.
cancelled that one. It's too long.
It's too long, yeah.
Yeah, when it's coming tomorrow.
Nice, yeah.
Buy 90 ml.
No waka come this side. Me no come go show your Ibeke for here. The big one.
Yeah.
Wow. I'm with that perfume
I'll
now.
buy the yellow one too.
And that yellow one is
I like
boom.
the yellow one with cocoa. Then we mix it together.
That's crazy.
But this one is
I'm getting my pet tomorrow. I like that perfume. They don't finish like my daughter order for me again.
I show your children.
I should show you. The day you'll be riding your car, that's the day I will
And
show
why
you.
for this social media, oh my country people,
You don't
now
want me
don't
to show my
listen
daughter,
to
you say me I
waiting
don't show
Mama
you car.
Sonia Pikin talk. I beg make una not forget to subscribe to
Bravo.
my YouTube.